Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nano Learn Learning Made Easy. This is Dr. Srinivas Putluri. I'm a doctorate and a senior IT engineer. In today's session, I am going to explain about the installation process of Python and PyCharm IDE, part of Python tutorials. If you are the first visitor who are visiting my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever new videos are uploaded on my channel. Also, if one want to understand the complete installation process of for the Python and PyCharm IDE along with the practical demo at the end, please watch this video completely till the end. Let's get started. By end of this video, one can get a complete understanding on the installation process of Python and PyCharm IDE along with the practical demo. How to install Python? Basically, Python interpreter is freely available for all major platforms from the Python website www.python.org. The newest major release of Python programming language is Python 3.9.1. It is offered with many new features and optimizations. Let us try to understand the installation steps. One need to search in the Google as Python download. Now click on the first link from the search results which says download Python. Now click on download Python 3.9.1 button. For Windows, the downloaded file you need to install onto your machine. If you are using other than Windows OS platform on your machine, you can choose clicking on the links for relevant OS platform that are relevant to Linux or Unix or Mac OS X and other platforms. Consider an example code 5 plus 2 we could able to type on Notepad or Notepad plus applications, but we cannot able to run this code. Hence, we need such programming language like Python or along with its Python IDE, say PyCharm IDE, for executing the code. Let us try to understand the installation process for Python IDE, which is PyCharm. It is an integrated development environment used in computer programming. It is specifically used for Python language. It was developed by the Czech company JetBrains. Basically, what is an IDE? It is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. Normally, it consists of at least a source code editor, also a debugger along with build automation tools. Let us try to see the installation steps. We need to search in Google as PyCharm or download PyCharm. Now click on the first link, say PyCharm from first results. Now click on the download button for Community Edition, which is a free edition and open source one, and follow the general installation process and complete the installation. Let us try to understand along with the practical demo. To download Python, we need to open Google as I just explained, search Python download. Now click on the first link. The link will open. Now click on download Python 3.9.1 to see the latest version. As I already explained, you can also click the Linux or Unix, Mac OS X and other platform versions if you are running a different OS platform on your machine. I have already downloaded this Python latest version. You can see in my downloads page. This I have already installed on my machine. To open the installed Python, I am searching for the Python which is already installed on my machine, and I am opening the Python window and writing the sample code which I am saying in my PPT. This will run and gives the correct output. But for bigger calculations and big programs, we need an IDE, which is an integrated development environment tool to support all this functions. So we need an IDE which I just covered, which is PyCharm IDE. To download PyCharm IDE, need to type PyCharm on Google search page, click on download PyCharm. It is navigated to the download page where you will see professional version and community version. Professional, it is offered a free trial, and the actual version it costs you to purchase for different variants Windows, Mac and Linux, whereas the community version is a free and open source version. You need to click on download button to download. I have already downloaded it. You can see the Python community version. Double click on it and complete the installation process. It will open a wizard like this. Click on next. Click on next. Now I am creating a desktop shortcut and installing it on my machine. The installation is in progress for the PyCharm Community Edition setup. Let us wait for a moment to complete the installation process. The installation process is almost about to complete. Let's wait for a minute or more to allow complete the installation process. It's progressing. It's almost complete. Yeah, it is done. I'm clicking on Run PyCharm Community Edition to allow it to open. Let's wait for a moment. PyCharm to get opened. Yes, it has opened. I'm selecting I confirm. I have read all the terms and conditions. We need to accept the terms of the user agreement like all other software. This is how the PyCharm Community Edition IDE will look like. This IDE is offered by JetBrains company. Yeah, this is how the application will open. That's it for today's session. These are some useful URL links to download the Python latest version for Windows and PyCharm Community Edition download. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Have a good day. Please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel.